Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we have in stock. This one's a 2019 7x16 off-road trailer and a beautiful color combination. It's a blue blackout. Gives you guys that nice blue aluminum and then the blackout package, which gives you guys the all black diamond plate rock guard down there on the bottom, the black diamond plate corners. You've got black diamond plate fenders, and then it turns most of your silver accents into black on the trailer as well. Now you do have an extended triple tube tongue with the generator platform here on the front, side swivel jack, and then you've got the removable front coupler as well. This one's stock number 14822. Side door does have a gutter. You've got that nice slider window with the screen in there as well, giving you guys some extra light, and double locks with that RV locking cam bar on the side. This one is equipped with power, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet right there. Couple of different lighting options on this side as well. You've got this nice spotlight plus the two recessed LED party lights. So again, different lighting options, and you guys will have plenty of light on this side of the trailer. I love that we've got all those on here. Black diamond plate fender, two 3,500-pound torsion axles with brakes on all fours, black American racing wheels, and the favorite 32-inch Mudterrain tires. This trailer is going to give you guys somewhere around 20 inches worth of ground clearance. Kind of depends on the unit. They'll all vary just slightly. This one also has the all aluminum roof rack with ladder here on the side, so you guys have some exterior storage space. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door for you guys. Plus this one also has the rear deck option on it, so you guys can see on this unit in particular, both of these, they've got those straps, the big black strap across there right there with the stabilizer jacks. That allows you guys to fold this rear ramp door down and have it be parallel and have some exterior living space, which is a nice option. Give you guys another shot of this side. 7-foot interior height with this unit, insulated walls and ceiling, and then of course we've got aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Nudo floor with Maxx, which is this is a great performance floor. Underneath this product right here is another product called Maxx. Maxx does not absorb the water or the moisture, so that's a really nice upgrade over your standard wood floor. 4 D-rings in the floor as well. You've got 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front, and E-track in each of the walls, so great different tie down points there as well. There's those 2 slider windows with screens. You guys can open and close those. 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights. Plus you've got a Maxx Air roof vent. That means it has the bubble cover over it, so you guys can have that open and not worry about it leaking water in on your stuff. 4 interior puck lights as well. You've got 2 here on each side. These are individually controlled if wanted. They do have toggle switches on them. Otherwise, they are linked up right up here to the switch next to your side door. Now we're going to talk about power, how this trailer is set up. It does have a battery in it with a battery box and charger, and that's going to run these puck lights for you guys. It's also going to run your exterior spots. There they are, they just came on. And the exterior party lights. So it gives you guys some nice ways to get lighting on the interior and exterior of the trailer without having to be plugged into a power source or plugged into your vehicle. And again, that's all possible because of the battery. Now we also have that 30 amp box right here. This is going to pop your cord right through the floor into your generator. That's going to power on your AC unit with a heat strip right there. It's also going to power on these big 4-foot LEDs for you guys. So lots of different lighting options. And then again, it's going to power on your interior and exterior outlets. So gives you guys, again, a couple different sources of power, which is really nice when you're out and about. About a 5,000 pound payload capacity with this unit. They do weigh around 2,500 pounds. And again, 7-foot interior height, making them good for most RZRs and UTVs and side-by-sides. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we'd love to earn your business. We are the exclusive home of the off-road trailer. So if you don't live near us, that's okay. Call us. We'll get you a shipping quote and get you your product. We ship them all over the country all the time. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485 or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.